Yo, what's up everybody? Just come back to Bali after short trip to Jakarta. Hope so you watch the videos, if not, you're loose. What I'm gonna tell you. Back to Bali, Bali Mandira, Azul, so I'm in Padma. Normally when I'm in Padma I will go around somewhere, show you the garlic lane or maybe Padma Hotel or something. But today I'm gonna go opposite direction up to Beachwalk just by the ocean road, passing the many important hotels like Pullman, the Stones and a few others and the restaurants, and there is the new skate park and the new promenade and so many interesting things what for some reason last time I walked there during the pandemic, which over 1 year ago, maybe 2 years ago. So I think it's time to change it now. Also Bali Mandira Hotel here, they're gonna have some function today. I think some, I don't know, not wedding, maybe anniversary, maybe little wedding, maybe something, some people enjoying the time. Also this hotel is very popular, very good balance of the price and the value what they have it. Azul Beach Club is the place where you have a breakfast every morning, but this is also beach club, you can go there anytime if you want. And there is also so many bars where you can enjoy the beverage, of course, in the bar, like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go like this one. This one is Azul Beach Club, and then basically you can cross the street basically, and you can enjoy the beach bars here and the beach vibes and the sunset, what's gonna be shortly. Some people already enjoying their time, and the situation by the beach look like this one basically. So you can walk up to the Beachwalk and more up to Kuta Discovery Mall by the promenades, like this one. However, the new one is up to the Discovery Mall. And here you go, that's how the people enjoying their time. You can buy, that's something new actually, and the beach bars. And that's it, that's the actually situation. And I walk a little bit, show you enjoyable vibe. And this is like an area where there's so many Australian flags. I think I already mentioned a few times, like this one, here you go. So you may feel like home if you're coming from Australia basically. And I'm gonna tell you, Tommy and Sarah, many bars. All of them basically looks the same, providing the same services. However, they were closed during the pandemic, but now many of them, they come back, and in general, your WhatsApp looks very much more optimistic in general. Some of them, they build little path like this one, but the amount of Australian flags here is unbelievable actually. And Kangaroo Beach Bar with some happy chaps enjoying their time. Okay, maybe too much of the beach already, gonna come back to the street. Basically used to walk a little bit. There is the Azul and there is Bali Legian Hotel. Less popular recently, however there's such a big group of the people here recently. Less popular than the Bali Mandira, but it is how it is, and basically that's gonna be a gate bordering Kuta with Legian. They still advertise the cigarettes in Bali. In Europe it's already not allowed for many years. Here no problem. This little temple in the corner and the Pullman Hotel, and then there is the main entrance to the Legian beach. Sun is so sharp, I'm gonna go more into Beachwalk area, again on the beach a little bit. Of course they have a toilets now, and every 5,000 miles you cannot bring this to Australia if you're coming from Australia. Considering so many flags are here, probably many people are. And then yeah, I will show you a little bit of the beach front, a little bit of the street front, but overall it's ocean front. So I came where there's two blue billboards, and basically you have a Pullman hotel here, which is the Accor Group hotel. You should be a familiar scene. It's pretty busy, some cars, some people, not too busy on the road, but the hotel definitely. And that's how they look like. They have a rooms facing the ocean as well, at least few of them. Gonna go more further. There are basically two branded hotels here, which is the Pullman by Accor, and then there is the Stones by Marriott. Then you have a Mandira and the Padma, which they are independent brand, and then up to Beachwalk there is another Marriott hotel aloft. After that they are all independent hotel owns with all the corporation brands over it or under it, whatever we call it. But yeah, this place is pretty legendary in general. What was that? There's a little bit of the parking area and people enjoying their back so by the street, like this one, and then you will have, I will get to the street actually because they're blocking the way. You have a legendary, the Stones Legian Hotel. The Stones is pretty legendary because it's Pretty big, pretty nice, ocean front, Marriott, that's very important. Bike a go, the rental bike, you can rent this, but when they opened, they had so many establishments, like restaurants facing the ocean and everything. That's just the entrance. It was like a little mall next to the hotel. Hotel is deep inside. I used to stay there once or twice. But now everything is closed after pandemic, unfortunately. But hotel is still okay la. And just at the front of this, as bonus, you can rent the bike. And it's big parking area. And this is it, that's the traffic situation. I'm gonna back to the beach. So if you enter the beach at the front of the stones, it's a little bit less attractive and more quieter with less bars and unfinished project here, wherever it's supposed to be. However, some of you actually may like it as it's quieter because the bars are smaller, having a more space. They're having still original trees. Well, the trees was everywhere around actually on this beach long time ago before they cut them off. So it's made attract you more actually. Little bit of the old Kuta vibe, which is this house. That was the safeguard house, I think, lifeguard house. Long time ago, everywhere. Now they change into more modern stuff. You can still find the fishermen. Some people throwing definitely different, quieter vibe on this part of the beach in Bali Legian. Then back to the street, you have a few hotels. One of them, nice looking one, is Mamaka Hotel, which is totally refurbished and totally rebranded hotel. It was Cittadines long time ago, but now it's totally different. Only the same venue, but totally refurbished. You know, a few markets, supermarkets, mini markets actually, toilet. And then next to it is skate park. I can already see, I need to get there. Back to the beach, and there is the skate park open to public for everybody, and the bars as well. So everything is one place, and this is very cool initiative from the local authorities as they build something like this one on the beach. I will just show you a little bit. Fully equipped skate park. Now it's, I think, zone for kids, adults are there. So cool, look at this boy, he's doing alright. Pro. I will already crash for sure. There are more bars and there are adults or bigger kids now strolling around. So now if you're sitting in the bar, you have a choice, either facing the ocean or either facing the skate park. So I believe this is a good place for having stalls here. And this is it, I will show you. Some of you also requested for that some time ago. For some reason I never can film here. So here we go, people enjoying. Actually, I like it. It's really, really pretty cool. And then it's also additionally, just behind this, is very big parking area. Actually, if I knew I could park here. So you learn something every single day. There are cars, there are motorbikes, and the skate park. And then also you can enjoy sunset. This is actually nice initiative. I really like it, to be honest. Something cool. But this is just recently a few months old because when they finish the promenade, actually there are still some works ongoing, I can hear the sound. Then you have a Kuta Beach Paradise official sign here. So many people coming actually make a picture of the sunset. It's so dark right now, but overall cool spot for making pictures. Memorial Wall, Kuta Beach, sunset. What is the writing? Sunset in the last paradise. I think in the lost paradise. Okay, no more negativity. Anyways, this is the empty land. There was something long time ago, and then there will be Beachwalk. Somewhere there I can already see there. And basically all the way you go will be the vibes like this one. However, this Warung invested into some nice chairs. Actually, probably good investment. And basically everywhere the vibe is like this one. And that's just the promenade, ocean, beach, bars. And not much on the street side actually. It's called Kuta Holiday Inn. Yes. No, Kuta Wina Holiday, something like that. The whole, but it's deep inside the gang, so cannot show you. And so many surfer instructors here, local Indonesian boys, mostly from other islands, actually owning this. So they can teach you how to surf if you like. And I can see already Beachwalk. Have to go to the main street. And of course, no shortage of the Australian flags here. Of course. This is it. That's the vibe of the beach. Last shot. Yeah, that's the beach walk already over there. I'm gonna go there. This is gonna turn on my camera and show you the sunset. Gonna be very shortly. Low tide today. Good for learning surfing actually. that's the entrance already to the Beachwalk for the cars and the motorbike parking. And somebody also recently asked me what was here before the Beachwalk, because Beachwalk wall was open in 2012, if I'm not mistaken, or some sort of circa that year. Before there was the hotel long time ago. That's only what I found out, but the hotel was totally destroyed and they opened the mall. And that's the parking situation for the motorbikes at the front of the mall. As always, busy. Starbucks, Arabica, the main entrance with the main sign. A little bit of the traffic congestion. Not too busy actually today. Not as bad as when I was last time. Also, this parking is open 24 hours. Highly recommended. Pretty big. More safer, I guess. I always park there anyway, doesn't really matter. That's the Beachwalk last shot. Yeah, here is always a little bit of the traffic congestion because, you know, people stopping on the street, Gojek, Grab drivers and all the other people trying to fetch all the people and then the stuff. It's like a hotspot here, and the boys, local boys in the old van. Okay, basically that's it from me from today. It was actually a pretty enjoyable walk, showed you a little bit slightly little bit different. Hope so you are satisfied and you enjoyed. Tomorrow another day from Bali, of course. I have something to do, so I need to go somewhere in Denpasar to organize some stuff. I'm gonna come back, walk just a little bit quicker, back to the bike, and I will see you tomorrow, as always. See ya, take care, guys.